Hello everybody, let's see how are we going to remove this trim for us to be able to take out the start stop engine button for us to be able to change it. We don't need to change it, but we have a subscriber that it seems that needs to change it and he wants to know how to do it. As per the manual, or at least what I found, this trim, this piece of plastic here, should come out by itself. This piece should remain here, or at least should, I don't know exactly, or maybe it will come out all of it, I don't know, but we are here to find out. So let's start. This operation will be done with the same plastic tools that are quite bendy and not very trustworthy, but this is all that I have, so we will try it. It's around 35 degrees plus, so everything gets melty, but yeah, hopefully we will manage it. Okay, so as you can see, it's already opening here on this side. Let's try on the other one. I think we have two clips, one over here and one over here from what I see, but it's very, it's quite tricky to put the tool here, because as you can see there is no space. Oop. Okay, so we started on this corner to take it out, and then I just put this tool over here and walk it all the way, and now the upper part is opened, as you can see. As I'm filling it, there is something that is keeping it right down. In the manual it didn't show as being clips, but it says that after you open this one, you just take it out exactly like this. Okay, so this seems to be one of the easiest videos that we've done. So this is opened. I think I need to start the engine and pull the lever on sport, because if I'm doing it now I cannot do it. So yeah, let's see. Normally we should do this with our battery off, disconnected. So I'm going to put it in sport. It's going to shout at us, and I'm going to stop the engine. So now with the lever being in sport, we have more room here to walk around. So let's see. So we have a few connectors, meaning like 3 of them. I think that these are connectors for the buttons, and this is only light. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. And here down we should have the button. Here it is. So we have a connector here. You just need to press this and take it out, and then let's see. Yeah, you have this clip here, and on the other side you have a similar clip. You just need to press it, and then look on the other side, the button is coming out. You see? So the button is out. So like this, you just remove the, go back, you just remove the plug, the connector here, you take it out, right? Then you press the 2 clips, metal clips on the side, and then it's out. You put the new button in, of course, you press it down, not like this. That's why we need to remove the battery cables. You pull it down until the clips are out. Can you see it here? Yep. Then you put back the connector and you're all set. And then as you can see here, there are no clips. There are some kind of clips, but they are not exactly clips. So here we have the clips on the left side. Here there is one, and the other one, it should be here. Yep. Okay, so for us to put it back, as we have these levers, or I don't know how to call them, you put it like this at a 45-degree angle, and you just press it down on the sides, you see, and then up, and everything is set. And the button is changed, so we have a brand new button. Thank you a lot for watching. Hope it was helpful. See you in the next one.